Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send USDT from Robinhood to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets around for better opportunities or just to diversify, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a popular choice for transfers without wild price swings. But before we jump in, remember that crypto transactions can involve fees and risks, so always double-check everything to keep your funds safe. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Kraken. Start by logging into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to the crypto section. It's usually easy to find with a dedicated tab. Once there, locate your USDT balance. Select it and look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. This is where things get exciting. Next, you'll need to enter the destination details. Copy the Kraken wallet address for USDT. Double-check that it's for the correct network, like Tron or Ethereum, as USDT can vary. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Robinhood, and specify the amount you want to send. Don't forget to review any network fees. They can add up, so choose the right option to minimize costs. Hit Confirm, and Robinhood will process your request. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Now, switch over to Kraken. Log in and go to the deposit section. Select USDT and choose the same network you used for the withdrawal. Paste the deposit address if needed, but since you're sending from Robinhood, it should arrive automatically once confirmed. Keep an eye on your Kraken account for the funds to show up. Once they do, you're all set. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Also, avoid rushing. Verify every detail to prevent any irreversible mistakes. By 2025, crypto interfaces might have even more user-friendly features, but the core process stays similar. There you have it. Sending USDT from Robinhood to Kraken is straightforward when you follow these steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.